Building a community to grow your Amazon sales is one of the things you're going to have to start doing if you want to succeed on the platform. My name is Stephen Pope and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. In this video, I'm going to give you an idea about how to leverage hashtags using Instagram to generate customer engagements, which will build you a community and lead to higher sales. This is a real world example. This is one of our clients, Coramdo Lights. And what we had them do was have a little mailer inside of their packaging, which indicated that if somebody would go to Instagram, post a picture of the item with the hashtag Coramdo Lights, we would give them a discount on a future order. Now, to be clear, this is customer compliant on Amazon. Amazon's terms and conditions specifically outlines that you cannot incentivize reviews. So whatever you do, just simply don't reference reviews on your product inserts right now. But it is completely compliant to engage customers by asking them to take an action, right? So just simply take a photo, make a social post, anything. So something like this, which showcases the product, is not meant to show the most beautiful product of all time. You're not looking for pristine photography. But what you can see here is this particular post got 18 likes. That's 18 more people who have seen something of your product in its actual banana for scale use. And so as these posts go up, you can gauge which post gets the most reviews. So something like this, obviously terrible photo. Still got 6 likes though. As we go and scroll through these photos, this is arguably the best of the 3 photos so far, only got 2 likes. So it doesn't necessarily mean better photo gets more engagements, but it does lead to you understanding what consumers like to see, right? Close up, medium shot, far away, product in use, you don't know, right? But these are real photographs. These are taken by real customers. And in a day and age when authenticity means quite a bit more so than the acting that we see out of Hollywood or the fake corporate culture of, let me follow the current climate scape, if you will. And you know what I'm saying without me even saying it. These authentic photographs, which can be incentivized, are still quite authentic. Coramdo Lights is a large lighting company on Amazon. You can see dozens of their listings, all with hundreds of reviews. As we go through the listing, you're going to see photos that they've professionally taken. But on some listings, we will occasionally throw in a real customer photo. Why? Because it's inexpensive. Can you imagine how many different sets you're going to have to showcase to get a photo of every one of your products, its colors, its variations, installed, etc.? Right? So you can spend as much time as you want building out your A+ content, get those product grids in, make sure they're linking to each other. I talk about that frequently in my videos. But as we go in and try and learn more about the brand, you can click on a brand store like this and notice how there's now this section called Posts. So inside of Posts, you can put photos that you've taken yourself, or you could leverage some of those Instagram posts. This is another way to get free eyeballs on your content. This is an amazing photo showing their product in use, multiple products, all the way down. And I don't know what this is. Could be a restaurant alley, could be apartment complex. I don't know. But it's a gorgeous shot. Photos on Instagram then become your Amazon social posts, which leads to additional leverage of your content machine. As people talk about your product on Instagram, or they talk about it through viewing it in Amazon social posts, we have for the first time started to see Amazon social posts show up on page 1 of organic results. If you go to Amazon search, and you have to be on mobile phone for this, it's not quite on desktop, you could type in various search terms on your phone. So pull out your cell phone right now, type in a search on Amazon.com, and let me know in the comments, do you see organic posts show up for you? So I just typed in outdoor wall sconce. We're showing a sponsored brand story, a bunch of organic regular ads. We even have some article editorials, a bunch of things. The search results pages are getting crowded. Well, for the first time, we've seen Amazon start populating. This is in beta, haven't seen this a lot, but in maybe 1 out of 10 search results we've tried, we've seen Amazon populate these social posts. And if you don't know how to access your own social posts, one of the fastest ways to do this is just go to your Amazon store page and click on posts. Now, you can find Amazon social posts organically on Amazon search on the bottom of detailed pages. So if you go populate into an organic result like this, scroll down towards the bottom, again, only on mobile phones so far, usually somewhere in this area next to the video section underneath the product information. They do kind of move it around from time to time. But you will see that social posts do get millions of impressions. You can track your analytics to see why this is worthwhile. So the idea here is to create a hashtag and put in a physical mailer that you attach, product insert rather, that you put into your packaging and ask a consumer to take action. So what could that look like? I was having a conversation this morning with somebody that booked a coaching call with me. If you ever need a coaching call on how to move forward with your business, we do have some on-demand coaching calls booked today with any one of our coaches, same-day appointments available. The conversation I was having was, hey, you mentioned, Stephen, in our coaching session, this great idea on how to leverage Instagram posts. Can you tell me more about that? Should I tell customers to post their pics in their Amazon reviews? How do I give them the 10% off code? So these are questions that led me to create today's video. And so what I tried to explain that I'll explain here, the purpose of this is to leverage your consumers to create a community. You cannot mention Amazon reviews at all. You do need to create a unique hashtag, a hashtag that hasn't been used by somebody else, because you want to slam all of your content under one single hashtag. This is about social proof, social awareness, and quite frankly, you want it to be your brand name, but if you have a brand name that's colloquial that somebody else has used on a hashtag, you might want to add something to spruce it up a little bit. I can't stress this enough. You cannot mention Amazon reviews. You can, however, mention the discount. You can mention that if you take this action, we'll give you a 10% off coupon off your next order. You could mention a variety of different, like we'll give you a gift card, we'll send you a free item. The choice is yours on how you want to incentivize this. There's no right or wrong answer to that. So one of the other questions we got was like, okay, well, how am I going to give them the discount? Well, that is going to come in the leverage of you monitoring this hashtag. So you could add additional steps to this where you say, hey, send an email showing proof that you've done this to customer service at mybrandname.com, or you could just simply create a Google setup. So anytime that hashtag is used, you get an email, and then you go into Instagram and message them privately their discount code. You want to give out one-to-one promo codes. You don't want to give out the same promo code to everybody. Otherwise, it'll just get across the web and defeat part of your purpose. You don't just want to give away a discount for nothing. You do want a specific action. So you're going to be leveraging that by asking them to commit the action, you monitor it, verify it, then give them the code. Even if you only get 20 people to do this, that's a lot of social proof. You cannot underestimate the value of how valuable this will be. That's 20 extra photos you're going to put into your content machine. That's 20 extra customers who've engaged with your product. Somebody who's willing to leave a product review, somebody who's going to be able to take a product image is way more likely to leave a positive product review as well. So my name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. If you want a video on how to set up your Amazon social posts, watch this video next.